Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use smartwatch noise monitoring. This feature is designed to help you protect your hearing by keeping an eye on the sound levels around you. Your smartwatch can actively measure ambient noise and alert you if it detects sounds that could potentially damage your ears over time. It's a simple yet powerful tool for maintaining your auditory health. Setting up noise monitoring on your smartwatch is straightforward. First, locate and open the dedicated noise app or feature, usually found among your health applications. You'll likely need to grant permission for your watch to access its microphone. Then, you can customize your notification preferences, often choosing a threshold around 80 decibels, which is a common guideline for safe listening. Once activated, your smartwatch will continuously display the current noise levels in decibels. It also provides a helpful visual representation, showing your exposure throughout the day. Understanding this data is crucial. For instance, sustained exposure to sounds above 85 decibels, like heavy city traffic, can lead to permanent hearing damage over just a few hours. Your watch helps you stay informed and take action. With your smartwatch actively monitoring, you can take proactive steps to protect your hearing. If you receive an alert about high noise levels, consider moving to a quieter area or using hearing protection such as earplugs. Regularly reviewing your noise exposure history can also help you identify patterns and make informed decisions about your environment, ensuring your long-term auditory health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.